So, yeah, hey, what's up, YouTube? Anyways, yeah, oh, yeah, I forgot. Oh, okay. So, yeah, I'm doing this, video, or whatever, for, Brookerz, because I love her, aka River. Yeah, she goes by that. And, yeah, she really likes that song Monsters by Hurricane Bells off the New Moon soundtrack. Oh, yeah, yeah, New Moon, whatever. So, yeah, uh, I'm gonna sing that for her because she's awesome and we're best friends and best friends do that. So whatever, I'm gonna just sing it now. Yeah. Situations are critical. You gotta look first before you go. If you wasn't too sure, then now you know. The situations are critical. Wait, okay, you gotta look before you go. Wait, okay, you gotta look before you go. Deep into the darkness where I hide, I bury down deep inside. You never know when they're satisfied. Buried down deep where the sun don't shine. The monsters are buried down deep inside. Wait, okay, you gotta look before you go. You're wasting away, okay, you gotta look before you go. Deep into the darkness where I hide. Deep into the darkness where I hide. Wait, okay, you gotta look before you go. Wait, okay, you gotta look before you go. You're wasting away, okay, you gotta look before you go. Deep into the darkness where I hide. Deep into the darkness where I hide. Deep into the darkness. I love you, Brooke.